You know I had to come back with another one. This is with the company called Curvlife. They sent me over a variety of different press-on nails, and today I'm going to do this pink set, which I absolutely love the color of. And I'm not going to talk the rest of this video. I'm just going to show you how I apply these. They do come with the adhesive strips, but I'm not going to use those. I'm going to actually use some nail glue since I want these to last a little bit longer. Currently the website is offering free shipping if you spend $29.99 or more, so go ahead and check them out, and I hope you enjoy this video.